right, hello and welcome to the Northland. I'm going to keep everything short. I know this video is short, so I'm going to keep all the yakking on my part short too. I should have filmed this as I was doing it, and that was my intention. We went back to the hardtop. Like I said, I was going to film switching from soft to hardtop, and I don't know, I got into it, totally spaced it off, and didn't think about it until it was too late. So I'm going to kind of go over what you need to do to replace, or if you're going to put the soft top on, or whatever. Whether it's the hard top, soft top, it's all pretty much the same. Doesn't take much, like two tools, right? I think it's like a 13 millimeter socket, a T30 Torx, and like a T35 or T40 or something. Anyway, I'll cover it in the video. Let me know at the end, or comment if you have, if you're confused about anything, and I can talk you through it. All right, so I got a bolt here, one at the top on the other side, that have to be reinstalled, and all right, then we got 4 bolts, one there, 2 over here, 1 more over there, and the same 4 on the other side. So a total of 10 bolts to put the hard top back on. To take the soft top off, you got to pull these panels off, and then there's 3 silver bolts, kind of like those, that hold on each side. So that's a total of 6. And then like I said, I should have done this before. Behind this, there's a panel that looks like this. Okay, and obviously there's 3 Torx bolts on each one. That's for a total of 6. I think it's a T30 maybe. Anyway, those, now you don't have to, you know, if you have tool tops, you don't have to take those off. You can actually leave them on here and put the hard top over it. But if you are going to get rid of your soft top, the people who buy your top are going to really appreciate it if you include those parts, because otherwise they have to go and buy them, because those are needed, and I understand they're not cheap and not easy to come by. So but like I said, there's 3 bolts, so you just use the existing bolts that are in here already. So all right. Also, don't forget to reconnect your window wash and rear wiper and defroster. And they should have been plugged into here to keep them safe, or you plug them in here to keep them safe if you remove the hard top and go back to the soft top. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that short little video, and I hope it wasn't too confusing. Like I said, I know I should have filmed it as I was doing it, and I don't know, I was kind of in a hurry that day, and I just totally didn't even think about it. Anyway, there's lots of other videos on here anyway about the top. So again, I'm just hoping that maybe I can clear up some of the questions I had the first time I switched from hard to soft top, and obviously going back to the hard top was just in reverse order, so it was pretty easy at that point. So all right, hit that like button even if you did not like the video. I'd really appreciate it. Tap the little bell, don't forget that after you subscribe. That way you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And share it with somebody. Share it with your Jeep friends. I know how much them Jeep guys and gals love us Bronco owners. So all right, I'll stop. Keep it short. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.